Go carpet cleaning in Kennesaw, Georgia. Testimonials. Our carpet cleaning services in Kennesaw are thorough and safe, and we work to guarantee our customers are pleased before we leave any job. Our standard carpet cleaning uses cleansing solutions that effectively get spots and stains out, and they're especially effective at cleaning up greatly stained high-traffic areas through your home. We'll get out stains and spots that other cleaners can't with our powerful detergents, safe solvents, and environmentally friendly products. Take a look at some of our clients' reviews.
I highly recommend Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet or rug cleaning. I have an older dog that has occasional accidents, and this business has helped me keep my home clean.
Very professional. Also on time.
Our professional group of carpet cleaners will give your carpets the deep cleaning they ought to have. We utilize environment-friendly items that are safe for family pets and kids, so you don't need to worry about anything poisonous getting left behind in your home. Call us for a free consultation and to discuss our budget-friendly prices on carpet cleaning in Kennesaw or the surrounding locations, including Johns Creek and Fair Oaks. When you set up an appointment for our cleaning services throughout Atlanta, we'll offer you an arrival window of about 2 hours, and we'll call you to confirm before we arrive at your house or company. Call us at 678-818-5698 or visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com.